Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download Meta Chameleon game. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, go back and access Steam. So I'm going to show you the process. First of all, you need to access your Steam, then go ahead, get signed in, and then go to search bar and search in Meta Chameleon. Once you have got that particular game, this is how it's gonna look like. You can go ahead, check it out, the preview right over here. And once you have seen it, once you are okay with it and you know how to play, if you don't know, check out our other video. Once you have seen all of that, you're gonna go ahead, scroll to the bottom. Here you will find the buy section. Go ahead, tap on this buy. Here you will be buy. Since I have already put it in my cart, you can go ahead, tap on in cart. Once you're there, you will find this particular game right over here ready to be bought. You're going to go ahead, tap on continue to payment, where you will add in your payment details and officially buy this particular Meta Chameleon game. Then it will be accessible on Steam, and that's how you download it. It's not a free app for you to easily download. You need to buy it, then that's the only way to get the particular game itself. So that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.